Okay, we have a DJI Mavic Mini Fly More combo. There's nothing wrong with this. What's wrong with it is this little piece of equipment here. This is the problem, and this is what we've got to do. Okay, so what happens with this? I'll put it on charge, and it charges up fully, and then you connect your phone to it, and within 5-10 minutes these lights are blinking like hell, and I'm getting a warning low battery, so we've got to take it apart, and that's what the little video is today. We bought a battery off Amazon. This was about 14, or I can't remember now. I'll put a link in the description down below. This is the one that you're supposed to get for it. It took about 2 weeks to get here, so I presume it came from China. It was off Amazon. I'll put that link, like I said, down below. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I got a piece of ordinary paper, I got a parting tool, which you get with your phone, glasses and whatnot, and I got various small screwdrivers and whatnot, which I'm not too sure, which I've never done one before. So I've had a quick look on YouTube. There's a couple on there in foreign language, but I got the gist of it. So the idea is first to take these two screws out here, and that's what we're going to do. So I have to have a look at them a bit closer to see what it looks like stars. I'm not too sure if I'll take out my little thumb bits as well. Okay, I'm not too impressed with these. I'm going to go and get another set of tools. These are rubbish actually. They might be good at the time, but I think this is a... Anyway, what I'm using is a T7. And it seems to do the job, so I'm going to go and get my kit because I don't like them. But anyway, so we'll take the first one out. The last thing you want is to ruin the heads on these. And take that one out. And these two should just pop off, I believe. And there we go. That's pretty straightforward. Just very gently, and there we go. Okay, next part is, this part is just not screwed in, it's just clipped in, so you can either use your fingernails, work your way around, anyway, there we go. No damage, perfect. So that's what you have to do to get that off. Next step, let's have a look. I think there's some screws here. One there. Can you see that? One there. And one there. And these are your standard. Got to be better screwdrivers out now. This is my number 0. Sorry, I keep banging the camera. So those two have got to come out. There we go. Put them separate. So I'm trying to try and do this in order. So let's have a look here on the piece of paper. So we've got those two. Take those two off. Those two screws first, followed by that panel, followed by these two little screws. Right, so I just got that glue off there. Just using my screwdriver. You have to be so delicate. Next we've got 4 screws then. Well, 1, 2, 3, and I believe, I'll have a look. So next this, that lifts off. Next we have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is just on the casing, if you can see that. So this is the casing. Oops. So it's down the side of the casing. I don't know what screws they are. They are. That's the cat. Right, we finished? Sounded like thumping, didn't he? Okay. Where are we? Okay, once you've got all 4 screws out, let's just 1, 2. Okay, then you prise this battery off. And you prise it because it's got glue on it, look. So just gently, there you go. Phew-wee. Now that gives us the battery. So now we can change this battery. I don't know how it's held in there, but we'll have a look. So just remember, we've got to put it back in the same way, and we need to make sure that the 2 bits at the top line up, as in they only can fit around one way. All right. More glue. Don't want to break anything, so just gently. There we go. So you put it like that, and then you've took your battery out like that, then you know that it's got to go back in the same way with this little clip. So that wire then tucked around that little clip. Alright. New battery goes in, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to nip up to another van, and I'm going to get myself my little tiny glue gun, and I'm going to put a little spot of glue back on all this stuff. So I managed to salvage a little bit of the sticky back tape. I got some somewhere, I couldn't find it. And I got a mini glue gun. Spot of glue, and now let's start reassembling. So that's got to go, remember that's got to go through there. And this all fits in quite nicely. Then the 4 screws, the first 4 screws that you started with. Screws in. Now the next one is the top plate. Top board, this one. And that goes in behind like that. Don't forget, it's got to go in that slot at the side there. That's where your charger fits. Okay, that's him. Okay, so I push that connector back down, which you have to get pretty good to it, and then I'm just going to put 2 little blobs of glue on there. There you go. Next, don't forget to replace the battery terminal. I can't see that properly. There we go. I'm going to pop a little glue on that as well. Okay, so that goes on there. I do apologise for long-winded video, but I wanted to do it exactly the same way. I took it apart and used what I've got at hand, which is like I have got a glue gun and a bit of sticky back tape and that sort of stuff. So replace the 3 panels, screws, 1, 2, so 2 that side and 1 the far side. Top back on. The easiest way to put the cover back on is put the front in first, and then everything follows suit, and you can see pretty good. And then you've got the next 2 screws, which we've got in order. I held it upside down to put the screw in, it's easier. Okay, put those 2 back. Next, back your 2 aerials. There we go. Cover. That is a lovely sound. And then we've got our two, let me make sure these are the right way around. Oops. You just push back in, like so, and the two screws. And that is it. Not that bad of a job, actually. Sorry it took so long. Now I'm going to put it on charge and see what happens. Okay, so it's waiting to connect. Just switching it off and I'll put on. Right, chuffed. So I'm going to put a full charge on it and see what happens. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. The subscribe button is just here, and the notification bell for up and coming new videos. I do all sorts of everything, as you can probably guess, on my channel. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one. All the best.